Hi, it's Rachel Smith with Compass Real Estate up here in Big Bear Lake. Today I am over at 43939 Yosemite. I want you to see this one. Great rental, great property, just hit the market for $975. So here we are, street view, parking right here. But what I want you to notice from the street view is the beautiful lake view that you have just from the street. So here is the house. Here's the upside of the street. So you've got a 2-car garage. I like the color that they used on the house too. It's like a slate navy blue, really pretty. And outside of the ordinary black house that you're starting to see up here, Trex decking. I have so much to talk about once we get to that point, but for now, we are the property managers of this house, 43939 Yosemite. So it's managed by SoCal Vacations. It can sleep 13 people, and it's got 4 cars, so 2 here and then 1, 2. So going this way, you're gonna have access to the garage. And it looks like you've got, can't really see it in the video maybe, but a yellow property marker that runs all the way down. This is a very unique floor plan. You've got kind of like this mudroom area. Probably help if I turn the light on. So it's nice because it's got, these are washable. You can hang up your ski coats, everything right here. And we're gonna enter into the kitchen. So you've got this great travertine flooring and then this wood bar area. And it's all open with the dining room and the living room. And they've got vaulted ceilings and some pretty great decor in here too, like that rustic mountain lodgy furniture and a Christmas tree. So this one, again, just hit the market for $975. Has been a rental for quite some time, doing extremely well. If you're interested in knowing the figures on it, I can get that for you. Big walls of windows, no grids. You've got great ski slope views there. I'm going to take you outside last. So let's just first enjoy the inside and everything that it has to offer. So on this main level, you've got 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom. So this is your master right here. So you could really just enjoy this whole house on 1 level if you wanted to. No need, well, maybe a need to go downstairs, but we'll talk about that later. You got that nice tongue and groove ceiling that everybody loves. Then we've got the bathroom. Got a his and hers sink and a shower. It's like a pretty big shower too. And then so that anybody visiting doesn't have to go into the master to use the bathroom, you have this other bathroom. And I kept the light off because the light is the fan and it gets really loud. So we'll turn that off. But again, great tongue and groove. And so here we have the game room, pool table, little bar area. Out here, you don't really have too much use to go out here. However, it's kind of like a dog run area because you've got a doggy door right here. And then this to me signifies that they have put a hot tub up there. So they beefed up the under part of the deck so that they could, I guess while we're down here, let's just go see what's around this corner. Yeah, fenced in for the puppies. Then we will go into the bunk room. So this is where nearly half of the occupancy comes from. 1, 2, 3, 4, well, just 5 of it. So about a third of the occupancy can sleep in there. Then we've got the third bedroom that we're seeing. And from here, we will go into the other wing of the downstairs. Got another king-size bed with great ski slope views from here. And nice big bathroom down here. So a total of 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. And this, like I mentioned earlier, you wouldn't have any reason to come downstairs unless you wanted to do laundry. So it does have a laundry room. It is in the basement. So you could, for the most part, just stay upstairs and not have to come downstairs to do anything else if you didn't want to. So right now we're going to go out and enjoy the outside part of it because that is my favorite. So again, I love how they did that. So there's so much to this outside, but the first thing I want to show you is the tree that they managed to just keep. So a lot of times what people do is just cut around that, let the tree continue to grow. So we've got 2,000 square foot of Trex decking. Like that is about the size of my first house here. 2,000 square foot of decking. That's kind of what you do on these streets though. Like Yosemite, Canyon Crest, because you want to be able to enjoy the views out here. Lake view, ski slope view, ski slope view. And so your lot line is coming down to right about where that fence line is. Here is the back of the house, which is the first picture that you see in the MLS. And then I was right, they have a spa, but it's not in the area I thought it would be. So they look like they added on this area. But the great thing about it is while you're down in this spa, you still have a great view of the ski slopes. This is blocking any wind chill. You do lose your lake view from down here, but I think you'll get over it. And so this way just goes back to the main part of the house. They were able to save that tree too. And so this door right here comes off of that mudroom at the very beginning. So you get the living room access and the mudroom access. So 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, up over 2,500 square foot, I believe we're at, and $975. And a great vacation rental with great views and a great 2,000 square foot deck to enjoy too. See you soon.